Hello guys, welcome back to DIY with Electra. So in today's video I'm making something super quick, super easy and super simple. So this bag is not like the complicated bags I've been making so far. This one is quite easy and with a glance you will just know what I am doing. For beginners or for someone trying this type of design for the first time, it's not complicated, it's very easy. Okay, so in this video I'll be leading you step by step on how I did it. Okay, the reason why it might seem so fast for you, but the reason why I made it like that is for you to not get bored while watching it. So if you think it's super fast for you, you can reduce it in the settings so you can be able to watch it. Okay, if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you for clicking to my video, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much, and please remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the materials I used in this video, I'll be in the comment section to answer your questions. Okay, and I will leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys.